Okay, well, now welcome back. Let's do the late night show. Must be like this now. Little casual waka come out, but we have somebody else. We just make too much brain. But Monas, don't forget to jam us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there. Just give us your own gist. You understand? You know, as the night father, I'm here to make sure your nights go okay very, very well. You understand? So anything at all you want to ask me a question, you have societal problem, you have witchcraft problem. Sorry, not the witchcraft problem. You just have a inheritance problem. Any problem at all, feel free to ask me on top of the Late Night Show. All right? So just go for there at W Late Night Show. Reach for there. You are drop your question. You are drop your problem. I will make sure we take care of it. Okay? Is it business? That's so? Is it so? That's so. You don't feel able to follow the whole pattern. I'll talk to you. All right, so quickly, ladies and gentlemen, I'm too happy. Anytime I get female guests in the building, my body choke me, you understand? You're torturing my heart. All right, so, you know, so based on the night father things, where I be and every, make a cross leg, you understand? Make a pose, yeah, daddy. And as it be, we get one very, very beautiful baby in the house. And as she do her leg, that's something I do my own leg, you understand? Copying things. We get Evelle in the building. Baby, now you go come. Sit down. Oh, Lord. When woman dead the house, it's different. You understand? Even God know why he talks, say, man, look, Adam, if we leave you, you go jump on top of these animals. Eve, go there, go and help this guy. Go help her.
Now we be here.
Now we day here. You understand? Evelle, you're welcome.
Thank you.
We welcome you. Say you're fine, finish.
Now you fine pass.
What's immediate? Me? Forget me. Forget it.
Your glass. I didn't envy him.
No, that the glass. I think I need to cover some kind of thing. Start making it not too chill like that. You get. So, you are come in the musical P. You understand? Make her go like that. No. You are come in the musical journey. For those of you who don't know, now she be the winner for Nigerian Idols last year. You understand? Yes. Let us give props and no, just more hail up. For not be small work. Out of how many millions? So how many people million go for this particular thing?
My number that time, Shana, 6,000 plus.
6,000 plus.
Yes, and 6,038.
Your own number?
Yes, but with plenty pass like that, like Fafa.
Kai, out of all this number, one person come out as a champion. No, forget. You even need to celebrate past like this. Congratulations to you one more time.
Thanks,
even
boss.
if not last year happened, but I will still say congratulations.
Yeah.
Because not easy.
Not easy. Man, trust me.
You want freestyle for us for you understand before you come out.
It will make sense. You
don't look me one kind. Anytime I want to sing, you just sing with the pin now. You just the pin. I don't know why I just carry beef in your heart. At least put mama for there. Leave beef alone. You understand? You are welcome, Jade, again. Now, your Nigerian Idol thing will be entered for that year. Because we get some kind of clips we will show them. Maybe they just still remember some kind of thing. And so they expect them. No, don't worry. We're not going to come and chuck your rat. You understand? You never experience it. You understand? Just to take you back on that journey. You get. Okay. But how it be you that year? Last year when you do the whole competitive things.
Man, I don't lie you. I be no expect say I go win safe. Because when I enter that competition, I just tell God, say, man, if I just reach top 12, may I just reach top 12, may they see me for TV. I know, say, from there, I fit build my music career. As long as people don't fit see me for TV, they don't see my face. I know, say, I fit start something, because no be today, man, don't say, they try. You don't say, all my life, now this same music, now still.
So you don't join choir, don't do different. Have you said you join choir
too? I join choir, I sing for Radisson Blue Eco Hotel, we make out every week, like 3 times a week.
You don't they hustle this hustle?
From birthdays to weddings to
burial to
convocation.
For witchcraft cover, you get they sing pieces. Everywhere they sing fire. You understand? I don't go every remain.
I don't even use my salary organize live band for restaurants where they work before.
So that means for you now heavy passionist in build. Not means just hustle.
Serious one.
Wow. So finally you can't enter for idols from there. You can't do. You can't pass that number 12 where you say, "May God even arrange you." Put.
I tell you.
Oh boy! Before the whole thing come boy. That moment you don't announce you as winner. Una can't line up because say tutu. You have done the beat.
Now 2 of us even did there.
2 of us stand.
For my head. I dey hear the other person name.
Okay.
So as I talk my name, it take me like 5 seconds before I realize saying I
to get yourself to say come well.
And one day she'll say no be for my head now, yeah.
All right, we get one particular performance where you perform that year, we sweet everybody well. We'll show everybody now, make them for watch them. They will come back and they will continue to talk the whole
May I guess?
Which one you go guess?
Alimpopo.
Make I keep you on the suspensity. Make everybody watch her like this. All right, see the late night show. The night father see the year. The Godfather thing. We didn't come back, let them watch out. Even Dede himself confused me, this girl. But that craze went out your head for that particular place. You don't expect them at all.
As I reach there, you know what? You get as it go be when you reach stage and you start to sing.
Yes.
You know when people never start to feel you. So first of all, you guys find one way or the other to make sure say one person shout or one person clap, then the ginger for your body go come wake up, you understand? So now everything happened for that performance. And
Stage not the joke. Because you go up like evil spirits. So you catch you joy. You go stand, you don't see Beyonce for stage. Be on stage and down, you not be the same person.
The same thing,
you understand? They call the same evil spirit, the warrior. Now the same thing that happened that time when you see Limpopo just now. You take that, oh yeah, Limpopo. And they see your leg movement now. They went. But great one.
Thanks,
so your journey so far from that Nigerian Idols things now, where you don't calm down now. Your own songs now, your personal songs now. How many you don't launch out so?
Oh, I don't drop 2 songs.
Okay.
I don't drop 2 songs, but I'm working on my album. Don't mind me.
No,
PG not
we
so
understand,
easy for me.
you understand. How many people come to become this PG? Not easy something, no. Even me, when I start the show, it's not easy for me to be consistent. I just continue.
So I'm working on my album project right now.
Okay.
Yeah, and by the grace of God, before the end of the year, I'm going to drop it. So
this end of the year,
I have songs. I'm dropping another song in less than a month.
Okay.
Yes. So,
okay.
And another video too. So make everybody just they expect things from me and good music at that.
So we got to expect. You understand? But you get what I want to tell you now. Even before we finish with your interview, no.
Yeah.
You don't speak English. Personally, I will give you something. Personally, more throw the challenge. I mean, you go try.
Let's do this, baby.
You go try. Oh, yeah, so let's do this. All right? You know what I'm saying? Let's do this.
Okay. It depends on what you want give me.
No, don't worry. Not the night father. Don't worry. I don't give anything givable. You understand? Based on request too. Based on who I beat too. You understand? We just align. You understand? All right. So as it be so now we'd expect more songs from you. Okay, so but for the industry, who are the people that way they always look up to? Because when I see you they sing, when I hear you they sing, and they see you strength for your voice, you get. I know some other people for the industry, we get that kind of solid strength for voice too. Ladies now, who will be like your top 3 for the industry?
Strength-wise, people where I they learn from plenty people. Me, I not like you.
Okay.
sometimes I dey see myself as thief one kind because
No, thief is allowed, but you go refine your thief.
thief is allowed. Okay. So I dey learn from as you dey here, so I feel don't pick something. You know,
Serious?
the next time I go do, I no go remember saying that for your hand.
Eh.
So my life.
Okay, make I dey check. I'll keep this clip one place today.
Yeah.
Make I know everything go take go.
So first of all, I must say, man,
You don't speak English just now. You don't speak English just now.
Now English, show me English now.
First
First of all, I must say,
now intro without first
okay,
of all, I must say, my background with that one.
If I say make I say, it means I'm not sure. Say the person sure. So it's not correct. I catch you.
No, you got for take bend down.
I catch you.
You understand?
No,
For
okay.
bend down somewhere.
Oh, you tell me as I for take talk.
First of all, make I say, but she say first of all, I must say.
If I say make I say, it go be like say we just won't give am.
The say call too much. Say na say everybody say. Well, just yeah.
So Oma Umi,
okay.
I like her strength. I respect her strength.
Yes.
Waje. Yes. In Africa, I'm going in Africa or in Nigeria.
Well, for do Nigeria, I'm for our
in
house
Nigeria.
first.
Who is the third person?
Third.
Strength.
Yemi Alade.
I like her stage presence.
Her stage, the whole
I
of
like
her
her
stage.
stage
The whole
presence.
of
I
her
like
stage.
Yemi Alade's stage presence.
Well, either way, at least I will go first to Omawumi, Waje. Now those two first come my mind too. Because when I hear you sing, they might say correct. This one say go give them a run for their money. But still on that particular one, so now you don't marry.
No, I never marry you.
You do look your hand just now. Not be ring for the hand. So.
The ring not dey my.
Okay, so how far? When say any brother did now, because it be like when I know the great talk, I know the expect answer from you. You understand? So
brother,
this one no smile since so. It easy be not smile since. Until I ask this question now, you can't smile. Bad boy, very bad boy. This guy, but not very good somebody in the internet.
Inside I go do applications. Plenty, but
oh,
you know,
Jaga.
as I never open my school now, as I've been at school, I've been at workplace, I will call them company.
Both.
So as I just
okay, no worry. Yeah, you give some tips as you know, as the the night father will be. Yeah, so don't worry. We go as a single sex person. When we say P, you understand? You understand? No, I'm not a polygamous bachelor.
Say you never marry. Are you sure?
No, I don't.
People like you that they remove. Person don't remove ring. I watch him. He remove the ring. Can't talk to me.
Serious?
I did tell you. You just move on for corner.
No, my own. I'm just a I did very very straightforward. When I did the ministry, I did the ministry. You understand? But on the final P now, we expect your album. Yeah. So they expect anything like tour from you?
I'm being on tour. I don't do on tour with Etisalat now.
Okay.
15 campuses and still counting.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't do on tour. I've been learning. I'm not gonna lie you.
Not be smart, you are raking in bow.
The next place left na Kaduna.
Serious? No. Forget. Don't cover yourself with one blood.
Which blood?
Just I'm covered by the blood. I'm covered by the blood. All right, dear. Thank you very much. You show on top of the show today, and then they wish you the best.
Thank you.
They wish you the best. And this particular strong voice we get, like, you carry go places. So heaven are your starting point. The sky. You understand? We don't say we go see you very, very soon on the destruction thing. When I mean destruction thing, you scatter everything.
I must let you know one thing as well. I get one show will soon start now, once a month.
Okay.
It's called A Night with Evelle. So I'll let you know the venue and the time.
Okay.
Once I don't start.
Okay.
I'm going to start next month.
Okay. So not here and now. The girl all sit down, they look. They depend on the voice when you get. You understand? She they do things now. Now you are going to come and freestyle for us. You understand?
Okay.
Just freestyle on the whole thing. And I don't know what I will still get because I just like wrap up the show on a different P. But freestyle for us, make we see how the whole thing go to be. Any freestyling.
Okay, this one are for my fans. Then people wait on the show me love. Tete, no be today. I love you guys, man. Hey, say you been there, things say out of play. Say this love where I didn't give you no be fake. Not original, not original, not ori.
Oh, no stop now, no stop. Oh,
they make me they laugh now.
You spoil my night with your own blood. See, this song going to sing, you go sing at me again. Ladies and gentlemen, as it be like this now, welcome home for the whole night show team. So it's the late night show for today. And I hope all of them don't enjoy every. Lil Kej often enter inside the house. He talk one very important thing. He say, believe in yourself. You understand? And the Monday way to it, so believe in yourself. And of course, on top of the whole, maybe also get what you go take the launch out as value we get to offer for anywhere you be. And then also don't get our beautiful Evelle in the building, and she come to kill us her beautiful voice and everything. Even on top of her, journey so far for the music industry. All right, so we say God bless all of you now, and then from Easybit and myself, now for you, we'll say good night to all of you now. Jam us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, follow us, relate. Go Facebook, go like our page too, and then from there, all of us go there together. All right, so good night to all of you now. Make us sleep well. Even as Evelle go do her things. The night father, don't finish for this night. Mwah.
Yeah, but before I do, Before I do, I beg, make me go watch my video for YouTube.
Yes.
www.youtube.com/Evelle Music TV. If you know if you go all that story, just type Evelle I'm Naughty music video, and you can get there. And comment, I beg. Thanks, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right, Evelle. Naka, we don't want to hear your... Oh, yeah.
Okay. Hey, say you been that thing, stay out of play. Say this love way I didn't give you no buffet. Now original, hey, say you been that thing, stay out of play. Say this love way I didn't give you no buffet. Now original.
Yeah, daddy.